Hey everyone, we're back here at Google Next, and gosh, it's been a fantastic couple of days. It's been really a lively event and just a ton of people here. So, right? I mean,
It's been a fantastic event, I must say.
yeah.
It's been really exhilarating with all the announcements and things that are happening, especially on the SAP side, and especially the joint customers that we have over here and the different meetings that have been taking place. I must say, future is bright and a new
That's
way to cloud.
that's awesome. That's awesome. So I'm so excited to be joined by Hasan Kidwai, and Hasan is Global Vice President for the Google Cloud relationship, Google relationship for SAP. Big job. And Hasan, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure, Chip, to catch up with you. And really very, very exciting and good to be in the middle of this particular relationship where we are actually taking the relationship to the next level. There's extreme focus on the partnership from both sides, from both SAP leadership as well as the Google leadership. And certainly for us, the common theme and the common focus is what we are doing for our joint customers. How do we actually bring more value jointly? And in the spirit of that particular joint value, you've seen a lot of announcements that have come through in Sapphire and now here at Google Next.
Yeah, it's fantastic. There was a lot going on at Sapphire with around Rise and BTP, and I know a lot of that is a very close relationship with Google Cloud.
No, certainly. I think the initial start of that particular relationship started with the infrastructure as a service, or what we call Rise as SAP, which obviously meant taking our customers from the on-prem SAP to the cloud SAP, or S4 HANA Rise as we say, which is more of a transformation where we try to run a lot of the services, whatnot, and that was a good start, I must say. And then certainly after that, we started looking at how we can deliver more value to our customers, and the exchange of data between SAP and Google Cloud in terms of how can we create new scenarios and new insights for our customers. So think of scenarios where you can bring in the search data into planning, or you can think about assortment planning, thinking about how customers rank a particular product, and then retailers are able to shelf, or rather put the products on the shelf in a particular way based on the internet searches. I think these are some phenomenal scenarios. Or say, for example, picking up internet trends, and making sure your inventory is stocked up for those kind of those kind of trends.
Yeah.
These are some of the unique scenarios where we are actually trying to bring in the Google Insights using SAP Data Sphere and bringing that data back and forth. And now, obviously, with the announcement that you saw, we are looking at exchange of data in the automotive sector, which means how does SAP and Google are in the car, and we are able to drive insights and drive information to the consumers in the car, and also sort of taking the data from the car and sharing it with the host of suppliers and service providers on the SAP network. So these are some of the interesting scenarios. Sustainability, you heard the session that I delivered the other day with Frank Sieverland, where we have some unique cases where we are actually bringing in satellite images along with the sustainability data, or scenarios like water level, and the how water is being, or the grid information, things like that, to our customers. So the ability to combine data and sort of bring that insights to our customers is what we are trying to do. And again, the whole intention is to, as we say in SAP, run the word better.
Yeah, that's right. Well, and gosh, you just named 3 or 4 industry use cases and solutions that are really interesting. And SAP with, it's a 25 now, I think 25, 26 different vertical industries were very strong solutions. It's unlimited, the opportunity.
No, certainly it's unlimited, and I think the ability. SAP obviously has been a leader, as you know, in running the Fortune 500 companies. Majority, more than 90% of the Fortune 500 companies run SAP, and that certainly places us a huge responsibility on us, and obviously a lot of let's say opportunity on our side to do what we can do, and certainly bringing in technology partners like Google along with us to sort of deliver some of the value that we can jointly deliver to our customers is something unique in a way. And for us, I think especially with the now with the AI trends, there's a lot that we are actually working with Google right now. As you saw the announcement from Yogan as well, and we are actually going to be delivering some good content on the AI side, both on the traditional AI as well as the generative AI as well. So there's a lot that is going to be coming from our side.
That's exciting. That's exciting. Yeah. And I think TK and Kevin made the announcement. Was it maybe last year? 100% partner attached. So that's a phenomenal statement to the market from Google, and SAP is right in there with Google.
No, certainly. I think our partnership has been very strong, and the reason why our partnership has been strong is because both of us have always kept the customer interest at the heart of it. And that obviously makes, because both the companies are extremely focused on the customer interest, that makes the partnership much easier to do. And certainly the leadership on both sides, SAP as well as Google, has actually been focused on how can we deliver more and more value to our customers. And that makes it easier. And certainly on the other side, you also have Alphabet as a customer of SAP, which obviously you heard on Sapphire as well, that TK talked about the fact that there's so much that SAP is doing with Alphabet as a customer. So certainly, the opportunity is immense. Our customers are going to have a great time in what we can deliver, and our joint partners, some of the large SIs, are obviously going to be up for it in terms of delivering the value jointly with us.
So I said at the beginning, you have a big job. How do you manage it all? You have a big job.
No, I think certainly it's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. It's been very satisfying. As you know, Chip, in my past roles, I was in sales. Yep. Took over this role about about 11 months back. Moved over here to US, and certainly it's very, very interesting, I must say. And it's as they say, it's good to be in the center of the storm.
Yeah, that's for sure. Well, Hasan, thank you so much for taking a minute and sharing some of the incredible things that are happening between SAP and Google. And it's all about partnership and bringing value to customers, right? Creating innovation and bringing value to customers.
No, certainly. I think it's really interesting and really, really heartening to see how our customers, joint customers, are getting benefited, and how they are actually able to. Again, as we say, it's not only our joint customers, but customers that we keep in our focus. And as long as we are able to serve our customers, business is going to be great.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thank you for joining, and I think the party is about to start here this afternoon. So
I mean, the party between SAP and Google has always been there. It's just that the
very good
physical party is about to start.
That's right. All right. Well, thank you, Hasan, and thank you for joining us. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.